Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to create a professional resume using Overleaf in 2026, this guide will walk you through the latest and the easiest method step by step. So Overleaf makes it simple to build polished latex resumes with modern templates that are perfect for job applications, internships, and academic profiles. So first of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, simply search for overleaf.com. Now, when you are on the official website of Overleaf, you will have to first of all sign up here with the help of your email address. Now, when you do so, you will be landed here on this welcome page where you will be given three different options. Over here, you can either create a new project or you can learn LaTeX with the tutorials, and you can also browse the templates. Now, I highly recommend you to click on the option of browse the templates instead of starting the project on your own. They have given you a bunch of different templates that you can basically select, and then you can start editing right away. So after selecting this option, simply search for a resume here in the search bar. When you search for it, as you can see, it has shown you a bunch of different pre-built resume templates. So you can select any one of these. For example, let's say I'm interested in this one, so I'm going to click on it. Now it is going to show you the preview that is going to look something like this. Now over here, click on the option of open as template, and then you will be shown this type of template editor in front of you. Now over here in the right hand section, we have the preview of our template. Here in the code editor view, we can just take a look at the code of this particular format, and then in order to edit these details, we just have to simply double click on the information, and then we just have to start editing right away. So after editing all of the details, when you are done, you just have to click on the option of share on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you just have to download this particular resume which you have just created. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.